Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start in a properly configured project so colors behave predictably. First, import your clips and the Cube LUT into the library. This keeps assets organized for reuse. Once done, open the viewer scopes, waveform and vector scope to monitor exposure and color shifts. Make sure to set the project color space to match your footage. Doing these steps now prevents surprises later when applying a LUT alters contrast or saturation unexpectedly. You apply the LUT via the custom LUT effect to either individual clips or a global adjustment layer. This lets you control scope of the grade. After selecting the cube file, reduce the effect mix or intensity, start around 0.6, because many LUTs are strong. Next, fine-tune exposure and white balance first. This prevents clipping and hue shifts from being exaggerated by the LUT. Also, toggle the scope view while tweaking so you can see real-time numeric changes in highlight. Finish by refining with color wheels, curves, and HSL to target specific tonal ranges or skin tones that the LUT didn't natively address. Once done, render and export a short test clip to view on your delivery display. This confirms that the LUT looks right outside Final Cut. If things go wrong, for example clipping or extreme saturation, reduce the LUT intensity, recheck project gamma and color space, or temporarily bypass the LUT and reapply after base corrections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.